Hello everyone, we are here to try the new Houston, Texas hot chicken
Yes.
from Cinco Ranch, Katy. Let's see how it is.
Let's
We're trying it
try
for the
it.
first time.
Houston hot chicken. And it's halal. Isn't that so nice? It's open and yes.
Student special.
Student special. I'm a student.
Student.
Look at this. Not little at all. Look at the counter. It's so nice. Look at that. Nice. Look at the golden helmet. The tables are fancy. Look at the so it's like that. Why can't I zoom in? I know that really. Okay, so it says at 7:22 the order is ready, so let's go and see. So we got it. Yay! Okay, so we now got the order. Let's see and open it. This is the Houston, Texas hot chicken. Wow! The fries are so nice. Oh my goodness, look at that. Is that a toothpick? Yes.
Yeah, with the pickle on it.
With pickles.
That's the fries.
Has a separate
the
little plate. Nice. And that's the chicken. Aw, so cute. And it looks so delicious. Let's eat them right now. Super fancy too. Look at that. And this sauce also came with it. Oh my goodness. Must be nice. Okay, so let's try the French fries. The sauce is nice and sweet and a little bit spicy also. Really nice. Okay, so I tried it and it's so soft, juicy, and really tender. Really love this. Would recommend if you are in Houston, Texas, and in Cinco Ranch. So please come here and try this. It's a really big